How to find mutual friends on Facebook. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can check or find mutual friends on Facebook. Mutual friends refers to those people who are friends with both you and another Facebook user. They are the individuals who are connected as friends to both your profile and the profile of the person you are going to view. So now to check the mutual friends on Facebook, first of all you will need to open your Facebook application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now once you are logged into your account, you need to search for the person's name by tapping on the search icon at the top of this page. Once you tap on it, search for the person's name in the search bar at the top of this page. And once you find their profile, click on their name to visit their profile. On their profile, here scroll down and tap on the See All button just below this Friends option. Once you tap on it, you will reach to this Friends section. There you will see a tab labeled Mutual on the top of this page. Click on this tab to see the list of friends you have in common with that person. Within it, you will find the people who are in common with you and this Facebook user. From there, if you want, you can tap on their name to view their profile. So by following these steps, you can easily see which friends you share in common with any other Facebook user. This method works both on Facebook website and mobile application, allowing you to easily view the mutual friends with any one of your Facebook connections. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.